Hello, this is the video instruction for assembling the clam and pearl. Starting with the clam, I will be importing the clam SVG file into Cricut Design Space. You'll probably see one grouped layer. Select Ungroup and you are left with smaller groups. Click on each group that does not say Basic Cut and select the Attach button at the bottom. This ensures everything cuts correctly. Once you are ready to cut, select your cutting mat size for your paper. I recommend using the blue light grip cutting mat. Click Browse All Materials and scroll down and select Medium Cardstock 80 pound. I leave the default cut settings. It's important to use 80 pound cardstock. If you use thinner paper, the machine can have issues cutting like shown here. For a cleaner finish, use solid core paper, meaning the edge is the same color as the paper. You want to make sure you have a clean cutting mat and a sharp cutting blade. Use a brayer to properly ensure the paper grips onto the mat. Then you can begin the cutting process. To remove the cut paper, it's easiest to put the cutting mat face down and peel the cutting mat away while holding the paper down. Refer to the PDF on scoring the paper. Essentially on one side, you score at the ½ inch mark and make the next score 1 inch after the previous. Then flip the paper face down and start at the 1 inch mark, and make the next set of scores 1 inch after the previous. After scoring the folds, you can use a ruler to crease the folds. You should end up with a crinkle cut fold. Now hold it tightly folded and add all the zigzag pieces. Refer to the PDF to make sure everything is at the correct orientation. You can add the pieces one by one or add them in groups. Move all the pieces to the center line and then move half of them above the center cut and the others below. Starting at one end, gently fold down along the cut marks. You will see it starting to take form of a clam. Then you want to fan out the ends to make them wider. Now add in the smaller pieces. This helps maintain the fold and keeps the shape of the clam. The clam is now fully assembled. For the pearl, after importing the SVG file, you will only see one layer. Select it and press Attach at the bottom. You can change the color of the material to better see what the cut looks like, but this step is optional. Select your cutting mat size and use the same cut settings as the clam. Use the guide in the PDF to mark where your folds will connect. The PDF will also show where to score everything before assembly. The pearl can be assembled without using glue. You do not need to go in numerical order, just insert the matching flap to its cut. Once you insert it, slide to lock in place. Continue doing this until all flaps have been inserted. You can use a weeder tool to push in the last set of flaps. And you're done. You can now insert the pearl into the clam. Thanks for watching.